Looks pretty whitingy to me up there. Change of tactics. That tide is right up on those flats there now, so that's where those whitings should be sitting. I've got the little baby prawn walker on.
Do you reckon size makes much difference on it?
I don't know, I kind of just play around with it, and
Yep.
depends on the mood that they're in. So if you want to chase a whiting as well, maybe you throw the middle size one, I'll throw the little one, and
Yep.
we'll see what happens. But one thing that makes a big difference with whiting is speed. Speed.
They love it, don't they?
Got to go fast. There's no time for pausing and slow. Just get it skipping along there. It's just like they can't. It's like the challenge is too much for them.
Yep. I'll keep going with the flatty lure for a bit.
Yeah. See if there's any action.
Got him.
Yeah, those things are fun.
All right, that's it. Flatted lures out.
Whiting time. Nice. And what we've just been using here, chasing these whiting around, is the prawn walker. So, got 3 different sizes there. All those sizes are going to be fine for chasing your whiting. This guy here, if you want to be doing bigger, longer casts, or a little bit timid, go for the smaller sizes. So, obviously they're available in various different colours. We've got crystal clear water here, so we're going the more natural colours. But if you've got a little bit dirtier water, a bit more overcast, a brighter colour, and just a simple long cast, and you're retrieving that along the surface like a fleeing prawn. Quite a fast retrieve, and so much fun. Get his head up.
While Russ is ripping that whiting out.
He's a nice one, that one.
He's a nice one. A couple of things with these guys, light leader, light rod. You want the rod to be soft in the tip so that it allows that lure to work, but also the whiting have got a sucky bite. So the light tip rod, you get a better hook up. And I love that mid-size prawn walker, quite simply because you get really good casting distance with it.
Oh, nice one too.
It's a nice whiting, that one. There you go. So then didn't strike, you just sort of keep winding, which is hard not to strike. There we go.
When you find those whiting, there's always more than one, isn't there?
Yeah.
It's just one of those things, kids hate boredom, and there's nothing boring normally about whiting fishing because it's just constant action. You might not hook them every cast, but you've normally got one following it. And
Yep. And you know what, kids are good at this too, because kids are often a little bit delayed on the strike.
yeah,
So they just sort of wind and go, oh, I'm on. So it works really good for them. Like this would be, I reckon, the best way to get your kids into lure fishing. Not big in size, but big in fun.